Laman yung mga batang halaman, hindi lang pera pinag-uusapan.
They're composed of 51 grade 6 students, grade 6 physics and 42 fourth-year students. Fourth year, they have satisfactorily completed their requirements as prescribed by the Department of Education.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the rector of the school, and acting favorably on the recommendation of the school director principal, I hereby declare all of you graduates of elementary and high school department, Joseph and Mary Academy, entitled to all the rights and privileges thereunto pertain. Congratulations to all.
Graduates, please pull your tassels to the right.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Congratulations, graduates. You may take your seats. And now it's time to reap the rewards of hard work and perseverance. Let's give a warm round of applause to the graduates as they receive their hard-earned certificates from our principal, Mrs. Edita P. Marcori. May I request Ms. Marilu A. Alcazar to call the names of the graduates for the elementary department.